Welcome to Tech Shift. Today, we're tackling one of the most pressing questions for PC users. With Windows 10 support ending in October 2025, what are the best alternatives? Recent global Windows crashes have left businesses scrambling, proving that relying solely on Microsoft is risky. Whether you're a developer, a student, or just a privacy-conscious user, it's time to explore faster, more secure, and open-source alternatives that won't force you to buy new hardware. Part 1. Why abandon Windows? 1. Windows 10's impending death, October 2025. Microsoft is officially ending support for Windows 10, meaning no more security updates. Rightward arrow. Your PC becomes vulnerable to hackers. No new features. Rightward arrow. Stuck in the past while tech evolves. Microsoft's push to Windows 11. Rightward arrow. Many older PCs can't even run it. 2. Privacy concerns. Windows 10 or 11 collect telemetry data, your usage habits, files, even keystrokes. Unlike Linux, which is open source and private by default, Windows treats you like a product. Part 2. The top Windows alternatives. 1. Anduin OS, the Windows-like Linux powerhouse. Best for developers, privacy advocates, Windows migrants. Why choose it? Familiar UI, rounded corners, dark mode, taskbar. Zero telemetry. Unlike Windows, it doesn't spy on you. Flatpak apps, secure, sandboxed software. Long-term support, LTS, updates until 2029. Who should use it? Developers needing a stable, Windows-like environment. Privacy-focused users tired of Microsoft's tracking. 2. Zorin OS, the ultimate Windows impersonator. Best for gamers, creatives, Windows loyalists. Why choose it? Change your desktop to look like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, with one click. Pre-installed Wine and Play on Linux, run Windows apps and games. Beginner friendly, feels like Windows but with Linux perks.